Hey everybody, welcome to Networking for Leads. I just want to be able to let you know that this is a particular PowerPoint video presentation on how to find leads. There will be a separate one on how to convert leads to clients, and then there's going to be another video on networking with people in the housing industry that you want to be able to network with, such as framers, painters, etc. Because these are people that will be able to help your clients fix up their home when they are ready to buy or sell it. So go ahead and I'll let you know when those are available. But for now, this is strictly networking for leads. And I wanted to be able to help you guys with that because that is the primary way that you guys will be able to start making money as a realtor. And a lot of times we forget about this area of finding leads. We just think about our sphere of influence, and that's only a part of it. There is so much more and other ways to be able to find leads in our community. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post it on the Facebook group, and I'm excited to hear from you. And let's go ahead and get started. Networking for leads of people that can eventually become clients. First, attend investor meetings. This is where real estate investors hang out, and they will need a realtor to help them buy and sell a property once they flipped the property and fix it up. Bring your business cards. You can find these groups on social media or brokerages. Second, attend city and community events. This is good for finding out which companies will be moving to your city, and that will let you know that more employees will be moving to your city who you can help find them homes, either by renting or buying a home. Third, attend board and council meetings. These groups will tell you the infrastructure plans of your city, such as new homes, roads, and schools. So this will also prepare you of things that you can announce on Welcome to Your City Guide, so that people will know that your city is growing and that this is a great place to live for job growth and affordability. Fourth, attend meetup locations. These are groups of new people moving to your city who want to find friends and figure out where all the cool places are to hang out or what there is to do in your city. They'll need a realtor to help them find a place to buy or rent. The last place is attend your interest. Interest groups are the best informal place to meet, such as the gym, church, or other women's support groups and organizations. So you'll be able to also meet a lot of lifetime friends at these groups. So keep these in mind. These are very important. Thank you for watching. Follow me on social media, and I will see you on the next video.